Hello students, today we start properties of regression coefficients, which is in Maths 2's third chapter, linear regression. So let's start properties of regression coefficients. First property is r square is equal to bxy into byx. This is what? Correlation. R means what? Correlation coefficient. Okay. Second property is bxy, byx and r should have the same sign. Third property is if bxy is greater than 1, then byx is less than 1. Fourth property is mod of byx plus bxy upon 2 is greater than equal to mod of r. Byx is equal to, we know byx is equal to covariance of xy upon sigma x square. So formula of covariance of xy is r into sigma x into sigma y. And the sigma x square can be written as sigma x into sigma y. So one sigma x and another sigma x get cancelled. It remains r into sigma y upon sigma x. Correct? Similarly, bxy is equal to r into sigma x upon sigma y. See, byx, y comes first, so y goes in numerator, x comes later, so x goes in denominator. So it is r into sigma y upon sigma x. Similarly, x is first, so sigma x upon sigma y. Using this property, let's start our exercise 3.2. Now in this, your first question is, for a bivariate data, x bar is equal to 53, y bar is equal to 28, byx is equal to minus 1.2, bxy is equal to minus 0.3. Find correlation coefficient between x and y. Means what? You have to find r square. So, r square is what? Bxy into byx. We know the values. So, bxy is what? Bxy is minus 0.3 into byx is what? Minus 0, not 0, it is 1, minus 1.2. So its multiplication is what? Positive. Its multiplication is 0.36. 12 3s are 36. So its multiplication is 0.36. But we need only r. Correlation coefficient is r. So r is equal to under root of 0.36. Correct? R. We need r. But your second property is what? bxy, byx and r should have the same sign. Correct? Now see here. Sign of byx and sign of bxy is negative. So sign of r is negative. And so your value of r is what? Minus 0.6. Understood? Now next, second question is estimate of y for x is equal to 50. So, estimate of y for x is equal to 50. So, we have to find regression equation of y on x. So, regression equation of y on x is what? Y minus y bar is equal to byx into x minus x bar. Correct? So put the values here. Y minus y bar is what? 28 is equal to byx. Byx is what? Minus 1.2 into x minus x bar is 53. Now see what is given here. For x is equal to 50, we have to find y when x is equal to 50 is given. So first of all, we do the multiplication or we put the value of x here. So this can be written as y minus 28 is equal to minus 1.2 into bracket 50 minus 53. Okay. So y minus 28 is equal to minus 1.2 into minus 3. So minus minus become plus 3.6. So bring this 28 in this side. So y is equal to 28 plus 3.6. So it is equal to 28 plus 3 is what? 31.6. Now second estimate of x for y is equal to 25. Okay, when y is 25 is given, so you have to find x. So here you use regression equation of x on y. That equation is what? X minus x bar is equal to bxy into y minus y bar. Substitute the values. X minus x bar is 53 equal to bxy value is what? Minus 0.3 into y minus y bar is 28. So here do the multiplication. It is minus 0.3 into y plus this become plus here 0.3 into 28 is what? 8.4. Now bring this 53 in this side. So x is equal to minus 0.3y plus 8.4 plus 53. So this becomes minus 0.3y plus 61.4. What is given when y is equal to 25? X is minus 0.3 into 25 plus 61.4. So x is equal to, do the multiplication, minus 0.3 into 25 is minus 7.5 plus 61.4. Correct? So your final answer is 68.9. Okay, understood? Now your second question is, from the data of 20 pairs of observations on x and y, following results are obtained. X bar is equal to 199, y bar is equal to 94, summation of xi minus x bar square is equal to 1200, summation of yi minus y bar is equal to 300, summation of xi minus x bar into yi minus y bar is equal to minus 250. So n is equal to 20. First you have to find the line of regression of y on x. Line of regression of y on x. So you have to find here y minus y bar. Line of regression y on x is what? Y minus y bar equal to byx into x minus x bar. X bar and y bar are given here, but we need byx. Byx is absent. So to find byx we need covariance of xy, sigma x and sigma y. So first we calculate covariance of xy. So covariance of xy is equal to 1 upon n summation of, I repeat again, covariance of xy has two formulas. Correct? Your first formula is what? Summation of, see here, summation of xi yi minus x bar y bar. But here summation of xi minus x bar is given and summation of xi minus x bar into yi minus y bar is given. So we apply this formula here. So covariance of xy is equal to 1 upon n summation of xi minus x bar into yi minus y bar. It is equal to 1 upon 20. It is given here summation of xi minus x bar into yi minus y bar is equal to minus 250. So divide it, you get minus 12.5. Next you have to find sigma x square. Again formula is 1 upon n summation of xi minus x bar square. So 1 upon 20 into xi minus x bar square is what? 1200. So this 1010 get cancelled, 2 6 12. So it remains 60 here. Similarly, you have to find sigma y square. It is equal to 1 upon n summation of yi minus y bar whole square. Put the value, n is 20 into yi minus y bar square is what? 300. Do the division, you got 15. Now you have to find bxy. So bxy is equal to covariance of xy upon sigma y square. Put the value, covariance is what? Minus 12.5 upon sigma y square is what? 15. Do the division. Your division is minus of 0.833. Similarly, you have to find byx. So formula of byx is what? Covariance of xy upon sigma x square. Put the values. Minus 12.5 upon sigma x square is 60. Do the division. Your answer is minus 0.2083. Now let's start our first question. Our first question is what? The line of regression of y on x. Means y minus y bar is equal to byx into x minus x bar. So y minus y bar is what? 94 is given. So y minus 94 is equal to byx is equal to minus 0.2083 into x minus x bar is 199. Y is equal to, do the multiplication here, minus of 0.2083x. Again here you have to do multiplication with 199 and bring this 94 in this side. Your final answer is 135.46. Means y is equal to minus of 0.2083x plus 135.46. Second question is the line of regression of x on y. First one, line of regression of y on x. Now here you have to find the line of regression of x on y. That equation is x minus x bar is equal to bxy into y minus y bar. So put the values. X minus 199. X bar value is what? 199 here. Okay. Into bxy, that we calculated, minus 0.833. See, minus 0.833. Y minus y bar is 94. So do the multiplication and bring this 199 in this side and add it. So your final answer is x is equal to minus 0.833y plus 277.302. And third question is what? Correlation coefficient between x and y. You have to find correlation coefficient between x and y is what? R square. R square is equal to byx into bxy. Byx is minus 0.833 and bxy is minus 0.2083. Do the multiplication. Your answer is 0.1735. We need correlation coefficient means single r. So r is equal to minus of under root 0.1735 and this value is given. It is equal to minus of 0.42. See here. This negative become positive. But here your property is what? When byx, bxy are negative, then value of r is also negative. So I write here minus of 0.42 since bxy and byx both are negative. Okay. Now let's start fifth question. Your fifth question is bring out inconsistency, if any, in the following. In this, your first question is byx plus bxy is equal to 1.30 is given and r is equal to 0.75 is also given. Now here you have to check whether the given condition is consistent or inconsistent. So for that your formula is what? B mod of byx plus bxy upon 2 is equal to, as a question 1.30 is given. So mod of 1.30 upon 2, it is equal to 0.65. Again mod of r means mod of 0.75, this is equal to 0.75. Our property is what? B mod of byx plus bxy upon 2 is greater than equal to mod of r. Now see here, byx plus bxy upon 2 is what? 0.65 is not greater than equal to 0.75. Here 0.75 is greater than equal to 0.65, totally opposite, so inconsistency exists. Now your second, byx bxy is equal to 1.50 is given and r is equal to 0.9 is given. Now see, since byx bxy and r have same sign, correct? Our property is byx bxy and r have same sign, but here byx bxy have positive sign but r has negative sign. Here r is negative, therefore inconsistency exists. Third one, byx is equal to 1.9 and bxy is equal to minus 0.25. Here again byx and bxy should have same sign. But here they have different sign. Here byx is positive and bxy is negative. So therefore inconsistency exists. Now your fourth one, byx is given, it is 2.6. bxy is given, it is 1 upon 2.6. So r is equal to under root of, your formula is what? R square is equal to bxy into byx. So I directly write r is equal to under root of byx into bxy. It is equal to under root of byx is 2.6 into bxy is 1 upon 2.6. This 2.6 get cancelled, it remains under root of 1, means r is equal to 1. Both have a positive sign, bxy positive, byx positive and r also positive. See, byx, bxy and r have same sign, therefore consistency exists. In above three, inconsistency exists, but in fourth one, consistency exists. Understood? I hope you understood.